and talk about the upper and lower bounds. What does the upper and lower bounds mean? The upper and lower bounds is always about the estimation. So, if I tell you that I calculated or I measured the length of a table to be 150 centimeters, correct to the nearest centimeter. This means that my rounding or my accuracy is correct to the nearest centimeter. In order to find my upper and lower bounds, they are always equal to 150 plus minus the 1 centimeter in here divided by always 2. So now, the 1 over 2, the 1 centimeter, I always have to divide it by 2. I will be having 0.5 centimeters. Now, to find the upper bound, this is equal to 150 plus the 0.5. So it is equal to 150.5 centimeter. To find the lower bound, this is equal to the 150 minus the 0.5, which gives me 149.5 centimeters. Now let's have another example on finding the length of a fence. The example says the length of a fence is 137 meters, correct to the nearest meter. Write down the lower bound of the length of fence and the upper bound of the length of fence. The first thing I have to find out my uncertainty. So I have it's to the nearest 1 meter. So I will have the 1 meter divided by 2. So it's 0.5 meters. So now for my solution for part A, the lower bound would be 137 minus the 0.5. This will give me 136.5 meters. Part B, the upper bound is simply equal to 137 plus 0.5, which is equal to 137.5 meters. I hope it's clear how we found out the upper and lower bounds of any given measure.